All right, back we go in the dark. Doing a night video because it's 10:43. I'm on the East Coast. It's Monday, February 1st. Let's go over SONN again. See where we're at with this stock. Technically, look at this from August to now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months plus. And you can see this line, this 3 line, and 225 line. Look at this, back and forth. Exploded up. Big volume spikes. Look at this back and forth. Try today. Try to get over. Look at it. It's got right to 350, right on the nose. That's an algo. When you go perfectly to a point 350, come on, that's an algo. So, look what happens here. We go here, and then we pull all the way back. Let's look at the 5-minute. See, that's a big spike, but they didn't hold it. They brought it back again. You can tell they want this to go up, but there's just not enough juice to make this go through. Let's see here. Yeah, 16 million float. It's pretty low. Sonnet Biotherapeutics completes successful repeat dose study of SON 1010 in non-human primates. So it's really good. But they didn't hold it. So it's not that big of a deal because, look, we're still in this range. If this goes back to 225, that's a buy. Look how many times we hit this. So you have this big down, the spikes wash down the full channel, back and forth channel. Yeah, this is a matter of time for this break. So I would buy anywhere in here. Yeah, that's a good, looks like a good buy area, 225, 250 if it drops. Tomorrow it might just spike right up again. Now, if we do go higher, 3, hit this 350. See this line here? That 4 is pretty big too. 4 and 5 level. You had the reverse split right at 5. So, this is looking good longer term too. It might take, tomorrow could be 2 weeks. No one knows for sure. But, if you trade that or if you're holding that swing trading, I think you're in pretty good shape. All right, JFU. Bigger flow, 128 million. I don't see any news. Digital finance account platform, Republic of China. What I like about this chart, see this big wash down? Excuse me. And then this one to 175. This bounced all the way down to 75 cents. And look at this big volume spike. This is another one. It's very manipulated, like a lot of them are. Some are worse than others. But when you get to 175, look at this go back. Then it pulled up again. Look at this big candle. Where did they take this to? 225 exactly, of course. And then look how you go back on the low here. See this? Right here, the low is getting higher. And this is in a nice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days down. And look where we're at stochastically, 11. Excuse me. So that will be, a good buy area. Not great volume, not even a million. I wish there was more volume. But look at the times we've been low. You go high. Stochastics right here is one of my best indicators. I love it. Short term, I think it works out of all of them. The indicator is better than anything. You can see you buy here and look where it went here. Nothing's exact. Like the move could be short, but it could go here to here on your low to high stochastic. See, 80 is high level, 20 is overbought, oversold. And anything under that, it's extreme oversold, extreme overbought, reverse. So from this line to this line, I think this even goes back to 110, maybe 1 if it goes that far. That's easy buy then. You're going to be really oversold. And then you'll probably get a spike up again to 150, 175. I'm not sure if it'll hold, but you're looking in this range and that right there, that 225 level, and that spike to 250. So you see this, the back and forth. We're getting tighter each time. The low is getting higher, multiple bottoms. So, watch JFU on that. All right, here's a NAVB. This is a biotech, 18 million float. No news in this in a long time. At least FinViz doesn't say that. Biopharma company, precision immunodiagnostic agents, immunotherapeutics. Are they in the COVID space? Anything COVID? COVID. Not sure if I see anything. Excuse me. So go back in this one, going back to 2018, you can see a 5 line right here in 2020. Hit it back in 2019. Look at this big bottom here. This was a great buy back at 50 cents. A lot of people, if you trade these, when they get to 25 a quarter, you sit on them. As long as they don't go bankrupt, they're a home run. A lot of them run really low. They'll get low. They'll bounce. They go in cycles. This made it to the 175 line, came back. Look at this. Went to 75 all the way to 5. And this came back and forth, got to the 2 line. It doesn't have great volume, 1.3 million. But I like this wash down. See this? It's coming back. It's holding the 175. I get close to it. So if we move up from here, 275. See this little spinning candle? I think we'll get a 275. The way we're moving here, we're moving up and down here. So it's nice range here, the way we're going. I'd look for 275. Let's see what else is here. It's 325. There's a lot of candles, back and forth. But nothing with great volume. See this bar right here? This was at 314. If we get a good, see the volume's not increasing. It's pretty much flat. See, it's just one spike. There's nothing going on, and I haven't seen any news on this really recently. I think eventually we'll get to 5 on this too. The way it's going, so you bottomed, the low got higher. I could see us getting to 325 short term. Let's see though. We'll see if this keeps going or you get some news on this. So, and AVB looks pretty good right now as well on that. All right, so that's it. Please subscribe to Mike Heyman Trade. Smash the like button. Trade ideas, check that out. Twitter, Mike Frank 007. TikTok, Mike Frank III. Instagram, Mike Frank 98. Stock Twits, Mike Heyman Trades. I think I'll do one more video, and that'll be it for tonight. Peace.